Just a Baby Bird by Mercier Mayer. Little sister and I play in the yard. We hear peep, peep, peep. We find a baby bird, but where is the mama bird? We look, that helps. We do not find a mama bird. We tiptoe to the baby bird. We are so very careful, but the baby bird hops away. Dad pokes hole on the box.
In the box.
He carefully catch the baby bird with the box. Let's find the nest, said Dad. We looked high in the tree. We looked low in the bushes. We look everywhere. We do not find the nest, but Dad gets stuck in a tree. We make a little nest. If the mama bird is here near, she will feed her baby. We hide and wait. The baby bird peeps and peeps. No mama bird comes. The baby bird must be hungry. Mom search online to find the right food. Mom makes dinner for the baby bird. Our bird loves it. We make a bed for the baby bird in an old fish tank.
He is safe.
Dad puts the towel over the tank. Now the baby bird will sleep. We say
先去前面。
We say goodnight, baby bird.
我也想要看呐。
等一下再看，现在正录影。
Day after day, the baby
在
bird
录影呢。
grows bigger and bigger. Our baby bird is so big, said Dad. Baby bird is
你敢咱看我会卖咧撒来撒去。
maybe our
做
bird
歹肉的
will
呢。
stay. We open the tank. Our baby bird flies away. Where will he go? I ask. Some birds fly south for the winter, Mom says. Maybe our bird will be back. Summer ends, fall ends too. Winter comes. I always look for our bird. Spring is here. I heard tweet, tweet, tweet. We all run to see. Our bird sits on the birdhouse. He is much bigger now. Look, I said, our bird has a family too. How cool is that? He was just a baby bird now. He is grown up with a baby bird of his own.